Next to her is what we call Miss Thing. We call him that with love and affection, as all of us know. Well, he hasn't let us down yet, has he? We've been friends a long time, and I sure wish you'd return my red handkerchief, because my wife's been wondering where it was. I hope it still has her perfume scent on it. But really, Paul, it's really been a pleasure working with you, because we worked together many years ago on the Red Fox show. We started writing together, and we walked into the office with the white man, and Paul what he did was sucked his dick. I must say, Paul had a sense of humor. He didn't let him come in his mouth. But seriously. Paul wrote most of the dialogue for everybody up here tonight, and he's a brilliant writer. And, we went once to what was that man's name that we went to and we had to fight? The producer. Producer, the Bill. Shelton Leonard. Yeah. Shelton Leonard. We walked in his office. We was there for an hour together, and Shelton Leonard picked our brains, and he said, "Thank you, and you can leave now." And I asked for the money, and Paul said, "No, don't do that. Don't get us in no trouble now." I threatened to kick his ass, and Paul tried to join him. But we're dear friends, and this is all in fun. Next, just don't tell him about Maropasa. Next I moved. Paul was with me once when I first fucked my first faggot. And he's been holding that over my head for 2 years. I fucked a faggot. I just want to say it now so nobody else can tell. I liked it. I would have married him, but he had to go away and get an operation. I'd like to move now, Paul, if you don't mind. to move to the other end to a white person.